Hello, good morning, sir. Ma'am, I am Mercedita Aban. I am 42 years old. I am married. I have two children. One boy, he's 16 years old, and one girl, she's 24 years old. I am a high school graduate. I am currently live now in the Philippines. I'm from Isabela. I have experience working abroad as a domestic helper in Taiwan, Saudi Arabia, and Hong Kong. I worked in Taiwan since 2017 until 2024. I serve two adults, grandma and grandpa. I take care elderly grandma. She's 69 years old and she is bedridden and disabled. I also do the household chores such as cleaning the house, cooking, and washing the clothes. My work in Saudi Arabia is to taking care the children. There are 5 members in the family, 2 adults and 3 children. The children age are 10 years old, 8 years old, and 6 years old. I also do the household chores such as cleaning the house, cooking, and washing the clothes. Then I moved to work in Hong Kong last 2024 until 2025. My work experience in Hong Kong is to taking care the newborn baby. There are 3 members in the family, 2 adults and the 1 newborn baby. I also do the household chores such as cooking Chinese food, cleaning the house, washing the clothes, washing car, and also I do the marketing. To my future employer, ma'am, sir, if you choose me, you won't regret it because I'm kindly, trustworthy, honest, caring, patient, cheerful person, and hardworking. I promise to do all my best to do my duties and responsibilities. If you have a children, I will love and take care as my own. Thank you so much, ma'am, sir. Have a good day.